The babies out on their little walk. We got Snoop Dogg, 3 months. Made by Sasha Kane. We got little Gracie, 3 months. Trying to see how they react to the outside world. Come on, babies. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Baby, come on. Good babies. Good babies. A little different to them. But you know, they getting it. Come on, babies. Come on, Snoop. Come on, Gracie. 3 months old. 27 and 26 pounds. Brought to you by Dump Pit Bread Kennels. Thank you, like, and subscribe. Come on, babies. Stay tuned.